Hi guys, so I just got a package from Amazon. It's a signed package, so I'm gonna be reviewing it. I just took like half of it. I realized I wasn't recording. My mom came and talked to me, so I was gonna pause, and I was like, wait, I was recording in the first place, so here we go. So I tried all of them except for the blue ones. So basically, I'm gonna be playing with a couple of them. They all basically feel the same. But they're super stretchy. They're like fluffy, kind of. They are so stretchy. You could stretch the heck out of them. They stretch a lot, and they're not, and they squish a lot. But they're not clicky. Kind of small. How big they are? Don't let anybody prove you wrong. This is how small they are. But then there's 2 of each color if you buy it for $16, and then 10 is just one of all of them. But yeah, that's the pink ones. Then we have green, purple, and queen. So then we got the yellow, the pink. We got 2 of them. We gotta line them up. So yeah. Then we have the purples and the browns. So, we have our last colors. I have my last one. This is my favorite, 10 out of 10. It feels a tad different, but like barely. Right, to any of my friends, if they're watching us or anything, I'm keeping one of this. I'm keeping both of the blue. I'm keeping both the pinks. I'm keeping one of these, and then one of the rest. So actually, I'm just gonna keep one of the pinks. So I'm trading all of these ones, and I'm keeping these, and I'm keeping both of the blues because the blue's my favorite. So I'm just gonna keep both of them. So I'm gonna see what this tool does. Oh yeah, make shapes and whoa. Wow, oh my god, so fun. Like, look how fun. Wow, no, I hate this tool. Nobody cares about these random tools. Like, don't make them, like, it's just a waste of things because like nobody cares about them. Just a piece of plastic. Nobody cares about a piece of plastic in their package. So there's these little hearts and stuff, and then there's little like fruits and stuff. Then strawberries and like little watermelon, strawberry, and lemon. Then here we have hearts, sprinkles, and maybe a couple stars in there. So I'm not gonna put anything in my favorite, but we will put some stuff in some of the other ones. But well, I'm not gonna put some in one of them. So like in one of the blues. So I'm gonna put some of these, like little flakies, but I'm not gonna put too many. It makes them feel pretty cool though. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And then, yeah, so then I got normal, and then I got the hearts one. Actually, I'm gonna put hearts in the other one too. Alright. Alright, so I got both of them now. And done with those. I'm gonna do mine first, so then I'm gonna do those because I'm trying those other people, and these are my friends I bought it with my money, so I want to treat them good. My friends better because I love them. Alright, so I'm gonna do this one like a hot cocoa bomb kind of. So I'm just gonna like put the same thing in it because like I feel like fruit hot cocoa bomb. No, so put some of these to be like little sprinkles. How pretty. And then I'm gonna mix it. And then I need to let my dog in. Archie, you gotta scratch on the door and stuff to tell me that you're at the door. Because you're so tiny, I won't be able to tell. I can't see you. So you gotta tell me so we know to let you in, okay? So try to like bark, and if you can't bark, then just like try to scratch on the door and stuff so that way I know to get you. Or a boomer block for him. If you know he's out there. Right? So we have the hot cocoa bomb. This is just gonna be like for pretty, so I'm not gonna have a name for it. Wait, I have a guest. Oh my God, buddy. Ooh, she's my guest. She's Archie. He's gonna leave now. Anyway, I just got the puppy, but buddy. Oh, wait, eating me! Stop biting me! Right, so I got a yellow one. I want it to be like a lemon one. So I'm actually going to take the time to like sort them. My puppy's being crazy. Archie, you can't do that, alright? You're going to stay on the couch. You can't go behind. Because if you fall, I can't help you. You have to move the whole entire house. You have to get Daddy up and Mommy. So stop it. Here. Alright. That's us. So I'm just gonna put some of the little lemons in it. But like I'm still gonna need some of the lemons for my green one because I'm gonna make it like lemon lime. So I'm gonna use some for this and some for that. So I'm gonna spread them out. But the lemon slime gets more though, because it's like an actual lemon slime. The other one is lemon and lime. So it's better for the just lemon one to have more lemons. So sort of spread it out like a lot, so that way it's easier. You are pretty. I was playing with my puppy a little bit. So we're just gonna finish this. It's kind of boring, but yeah. So guys, check out my main main channel, Cassafras. Yeah. By the way, guys, my real name is Cassidy, not Cassie. It's Cassidy, and then but I like being called Cassie. Alright, so we got some of these. We should go see my dog right now. Archie, stop chewing on my backpack, you rat. You rat. Mom, Archie's chewing on my backpack.
You better move it.
Archie! Stop. Okay, so we got enough. Alright, so put that away. I'm just gonna do a couple more. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. Alright, so now I'm going to do the pink one. And for the pink one, I'm just going to do the red one. It's going to be a little bit easier because, like, any red ones, I don't care which ones. It could be any of them as long as it's red or pink. So this one's actually really easy. Just gotta make sure we get no grapes or lemons in there. Or else it's easy. So we can get lots of them for this one. Because it's probably like the majority, so. The pink is a little bit sticky. So I just realized I'm posting this on my art channel. And I just kind of realized that. Like I looked at the top and it said making 4. And it said the channel. By the way, guys, I got control just doing it now. And then it says for Cassie's instrument and or blah blah blah. So yeah. Oh, you're just gonna sit on me, buddy? Oh, you're just gonna like say hi and maybe play with some lime slime. Are you scared to touch it? Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, buddy, I'm sorry, y'all. Ah, you're chubby, you're fat. You're fat. No. Are you offended that I called you that? Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. So I'm just gonna put grapes in this one. Or maybe just alpha. But like you get where I'm coming from though, like it still looks like. But I just wanted to make sure it was only that for the lemon one. I just wanted to make sure it was only lemons. Cause like it won't be as cute. Cause like the color of the one, like just the fact that like it was like the neon highlighter and it looked like it kind of ugly. It's like baby poop basically. So and we got this. So now I'm gonna do the alright, so now I'm gonna do the ones that I am trading. And first I'm gonna do the green. And I'm just gonna all I have left is the hearts. So like, I'm gonna do some in the hot cocoa bomb one, some in this one, some in this one, some in this one, and some in this one, and a little bit more on these. It's brain. Alright, now I'm just gonna mix them. Might not even mix some of them. I'm just gonna put more. Yeah, these are for people to offer for now. Alright, so I'm gonna put a T on them. I feel like these actually look better than my actual. I'm just gonna do a little bit of trading. Like this one has fruits, and I'm actually gonna trade this one. This hot cocoa bomb literally is no different, but I'm gonna trade. I think. Wait, let me see. This one has more, so. I'll keep you the better ones for myself up the end. Oh, it's purple more. Not this green more. Like this one more. And I have both of these. That was mean, Cassidy. I don't care. I'm gonna mix one more too to see which one I like more. I think I like this one more. Hang on. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna be mixing it. I think be mixing out. Whichever one I feel like has more. I'm just gonna randomize it. This one. I don't even know which one this is, but I got it. Happy slime. Alright, so yeah. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more slime review videos, and yeah. So if you guys have a great Thanksgiving, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So have an amazing Thanksgiving, and yeah. Bye.